What's up guys, this is Sandeep here. So in this video I am going to explain how you can install the awesome screenshot Chrome extension. So open Chrome and search for awesome screenshot Chrome extension. So this opens Google Chrome store. Click on this. And just click on this button, add to Chrome. Click on add extension. So what Chrome does internally, it downloads that extension and installs in your Chrome application. If you want to make your syncing on, you can also do that. Okay, so that's it. My application is installed. Then go here and you can see the extension is available here. Click on this to launch the application. Now there are different options available for this extension, like you can take a screenshot, you can create an annotation, you can record as well. So I will create a separate video for that. For the time being, I just wanted to show you how you can install this application in Chrome. And that is what for this video guys. Thanks for watching this video and bye bye.